Hi students, I welcome back everyone in this video session. In this video, we are going to see Standard 5th English from Term 2. The unit name is Hospitality. From this unit, we are going to see the poem Mother Nature. Mother Nature gives power to the calm and comfort. Let us move to the video session.
Term 2, Unit 1, Hospitality. From the unit, we are going to see poem Mother Nature. Children, let us recite the poem Mother Nature. Look at the hospitality of Mother Nature. It gives everything to all creatures. There are no stranger under the tree. Enjoy the shadow and fruits for free. There is a home for bird and refreshing place for herd. The next stanza is, this virtue is our culture, follow it in our future. Always welcome with a smiling face, wins the heart in life's race. Fortune knocks with the best, those who care for their guest. Let us see the glossary. Hospitality, taking good care of the guest. Stranger, unknown people. Refreshing, renewing. Victure, high moral behavior. Culture, the habits and custom of a particular society. Last one, fortune, luck. Let us see the explanation. Look at the hospitality of Mother Nature. It gives everything to all creature. In this world, God has created everything. Is even the man, plants, animals, everything was created by the God. We have to use it in a proper way. That is, the creation of God is very beautiful and very marvelous. We have to use it properly in a correct way. In this poem, we are going to see the Mother Nature, how the plants are green in color and what are the different types of fruits, vegetables and everything we are getting from the plant and in our earth. God has created everything in this world. Even human being and animals, plants, everything is created by a God. In this poem, we are going to see Mother Nature. Mother Nature means in this earth how the nature is created by a God and how it is useful for us. There are no stranger under the tree. The trees will be always gives shadow everything, as it will be green in color and the trunk will be brown in color. The important things for the tree is that is root, which supports in every seconds. Is even if it is wind, storm, everything attacks, the root will be very strong, which is below the soil. It protects everything from all dangerous thing. Is the trees is very useful for us. It gives fruits, vegetable and all other things for the us. The Mother Nature has given many things for the human being to eat. For example, from the tree and the plant we are getting fruits and vegetable. Enjoy the shadow and fruits for free. We can enjoy the shadow which are given by the trees. Is without trees we cannot shadow in this world. When we are walking for so long, we will be tired. Is when we see the trees, we will take a rest under the shadow. Is same like the fruits are given for the free thing. The trees is not getting money to give a fruit for the human being. The mean like we also the human being should be free for others. We have to help others and we have to obey others and we have to give respect for others. Tree is a home for the bird and refreshing place for the herd. As trees gives lot of things for the birds and animals. For example, crow, pigeon, sparrow, squirrel, everything is a home for the bird. Tree is the only home for the bird to build a nest in the tree. The birds build a nest with the help of twigs of branches, iron pieces, and coconut fiber, which it will collect from the other houses and trees. It collects everything and build a nest with the help of a tree. Trees is the only place which it can build nest. Is the human being is having a place to live in their house. The same like bird is also having a place to live in the tree. Is and it is also a refreshing place for the herd. A group of people, a group of animals, or a group of bird is called a herd. A group of things is called herd. It is a place for the animals to stay there in the tree. It is a refreshing place. If they are so tired and in the afternoon they will come back to their houses and stay in their home. Home is a place for the birds to take a rest. This is our culture and follow it in our future. In India, we have many cultures and tradition. For example, in Tamil Nadu, we have a sari and the dhoti. If you are going for the north side, we have a chudidar. Yes, if you going for the west and east, we have many variety of types of dresses which we are different from state to state. We have different languages and different tradition, but the only thing that we are Indians is when we are united together, we have to use it in our future in a proper way. Is united together will brings victory for our nation. Is this picture is our culture and follow the same thing in our future. Always welcomes everyone with a smiling face. Not only in India, in other nation also, they will welcome every guest and relation with a smiling face. When we are welcoming with a smiling face, it not only brings happiness to other, it wash out every sorrows which is there in our body. It wash out every sorrow and brings happiness to others. So always welcome the guest with a smiling face. Always welcomes with a smiling face, wins the heart in life race. Fortune knocks with the best, those who care for their guest. When we are welcoming guest with a smiling face, it not only wash out the sorrows, it brings happiness and wins the life of their hearts. Yes, fortune knocks with the best, those who care for their guest. Fortune means luck. Luck will always knocks the door, which we have to open the door when we have to use it in a proper way. Those who care for their guest. When we are welcoming the guest and we have to take care of them in a proper way. Yes, it is a very, very important thing we have to do in our life. In this poem, we are going to see some magic tricks with the help of small things. Yes, the magic man is having two things. The one word is color, the other word is full. Yes, with the help of these two words, how we can make a new word. Color plus full, colorful. Yes, we can get a colorful is a new word which we are getting from the color plus full, colorful. It's like a compound word, but it is called suffix. Let us see what is meant by suffix. A suffix is a letter combination that are fixed at the end of the word. Suffix add new meanings to the word. For example, tooth plus less, toothless. Care plus less, careless. Joy plus full, joyful. Beauty plus full, beautiful. It's like a compound word, but it is fixed to the end of the word, which gives a new meaning. That is joyful, careless, toothless, and beautiful. A few more example for suffix is given here. Yes, let us recall everything and do it properly. I hope all understood about the poem Mother Nature. Thank you, students.